Hey guys, as you see in the picture, let's check out LCD writing tablet plus battery as how to replace it. Interested? Hello, namaste. How are you doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch really good videos and offers. As you see in the picture, this we have ordered from Amazon stores. This is LCD writing tablet. I'll provide the link in the description box. You can check out the link and buy the product. It is at 80% off right now as the summer sale is going on, as you all know, on Amazon stores. As you see here, it is not only for kids to have fun while learning, but also it is environment friendly. You can save trees. Few instructions are given on the pack as how to use the product, and not only that, some warning points also are given wherein you should not use any kind of cleansers or liquids to wet the product or clean the product. Besides, don't use any sharp objects while using the product. Here you can see a pen is given with which you can use the product. You can start writing on this LCD tablet. It seems pretty good product, right? As you see here, you can pull out the pen and start writing or scribbling or drawing, or you can go for Rifty if you want. You can practice problems or sums from your maths or any other, Here it is given, you can practice calculus. You all know how calculus is. Let me know in the comment section how the calculus is for you. It is tough subject or it's easy for you. Here you can see, after writing or scribbling, you can use the delete button to erase the writings on the LCD tablet. It seems like toy for children to play and have fun with the tablet while learning. As you see here, it's not only for children, it can be used as a stress buster even for big guys or for adults. As you see here, you can knock out the stress in the busy times. Here you can see it works with battery, and this battery can be replaceable in 2 years after it completely gets discharged. As you see here, you can remove the battery in this way. I'll provide the battery link in the description box. You can check out and buy battery if you want. So this is how you can replace the new battery with the old one and start using the tablet. As you see in the picture, you can use any number of times and use the delete button if you want to erase the writings on the tablet. So you can save trees and environment by avoiding pen, pencil and paper to practice your academic subjects, especially where maths needs a lot of practice for your problems, right, in the academics. So do check out this product for sure. Have fun, learn, enjoy. As shown in the video, you can turn on and turn off the LCD screen if you don't want. So that's it all for today. If you like this video, do share, comment, subscribe to Flying Skies One. Have a good day. Keep smiling.